Do I have a condo for you? This one is simply gorgeous, with sweeping views of Georgian Bay, underground parking, and that's right, 3 bedrooms. Very rare to find in the Owen Sound community, a condo this size at this price. And it's absolutely stunning. I know you're gonna fall in love. I don't know about you, but I could sit out here all day. Imagine your morning coffees while you watch the sunrise over Georgian Bay. I'm Shauna Bonterre with Royal LePage, your Scott McGillivray trusted agent. Thanks for watching the tour, and if you'd like to call this condo your home, reach out.